Hi there and welcome to Phantom Filmschool 2. In this course we're going to take everything we taught you in Filmschool 1 and apply it to some new stuff. We're going to be starting off with a new theory section. The first lecture will be around the topic of heading, rotation and track, important concepts for setting up your shots correctly. Then we're going to tackle a topic that is very popular, and that is to do with the gimbal pitch settings like focus, PI and interpolation. Very important concepts to master and fully understand. You'll be happy to know that we're also going to have some lectures on video editing, the first one to do with color correction. Remember those pro settings in Filmschool 1 where you were taught to shoot in RAW? Well, now I'm going to teach you how to get the maximum results out of your footage with color correction. The second lecture on video editing has to do with correcting exposure issues which are common to aerial video for above the horizon, and I'll teach you how to use a mask to deal with that. Then those 5 new killer shots. The first one is called the Rise, which has some subcategories like the look down twist, beautiful new shot, followed by the rise and pan, and then an interesting sophisticated version is called the rise and reveal, and I'll teach you how to set all of these up in advance. The second beautiful shot is called the look down approach, where you approach a subject and start looking down, an absolutely beautiful shot that I know you're going to love. Then following this, a shot which is often difficult to get right on the Phantom remote controller, the pan. I'll teach you how to do this on autopilot so you get the perfect shot every time. Then the fourth shot is the selfie, something that you can do on the solo quadcopter. I'm going to teach you how to do either on the field or in advance on the mission hub. And then lastly, I'm going to teach you a new shot called the up and over, and this shot will teach you how to fly alongside and over any tall object, and you'll get beautiful dramatic results. Last but not least, we have a bonus section where we're going to be covering panoramas, 360 panoramas or photospheres. Now, it's one thing shooting these on the Litchi app, but it's a whole different thing stitching it together, figuring out which software to use, editing them, and figuring out how to publish them. And then good news for Filmschool 1 students, you automatically qualify for a less 30% discount, which will be found in the bonus section of Filmschool 1. So what are you waiting for? Jump right in, take the course, and take your Phantom footage to the next level.